Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use other users' audio on Instagram Reels video. Instagram allows you to add audio or music that is used on another Reels video. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Log into your Instagram account and click on the Reels icon on the main toolbar. Find a Reels video which music you would like to use. Then press on the audio icon in the bottom right corner of the video screen. Once you do it, you will be moved to a page where you can see all the reels that were created using this particular audio. Now you can save the audio and use it later, or hit the Use Audio button and create a Reels video with this music. So record the video or upload the one from your camera roll. After that, you may insert stickers, mix audio, add voiceover, draw or write something. When your video is ready, tap the arrow button and share it to Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use other users' audio on Instagram Reels video. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.